Forest Hills, thank you so much again for the lovely tournament conditions. Mr. Negi and his team for the maintenance and the support that I've got. And thank you for all the parents who have shown the interest by coming out and staying with us throughout the 2 days. Thank you very much, guys. Yeah? Your support is most welcome. Caddies have done a good job. And the kids especially, I like the rounds you've played today. Most of you have improved on yesterday, which is great. So we've got some prizes out here. Incidentally, also on the 8th hole, we had a closest to pin today. So we're going to give those prizes out also for the people who didn't know. There was a closest to pin. We didn't want to make you prepared for it. We wanted to just not disturb you and give you a prize. Okay? So this is your normal game which you've shown and you've done well. We start with the girls divisions. In the third position, we had a tie. We go to the girls divisions and we had a tie. So we have 3 prizes per division. The tournament champion, the division winner and the division runner-up. So in the girls division with a score of 210, Gunaz Gill. Very good. Well done, Gunaz. There you go. Fantastic, Gunaz. Well done. Fantastic. Good show. Congratulations. In the division winner position, girls division winner with a score of 206, 102, 104, Simran Kaur. Well done, Simran. Good show.
Hello, sir.
Congratulations. Very good. Congratulations. And of course, the winner, the tournament champion for girls division, who gets the main trophy with a score of 93.85. Good showing today. 178 top score, Puneet Kaur Bajwa. Well done, Puneet. Excellent. Very good. Very good. Thank you. Very good show. Now we come to Division D. Division D is basically ages 9 and 10 years old. Huh? Bola? Oh, I'm holding it. There you go. So the division runner-up with a score of 84 and 89 with a total score of 173, Adit Garg. Well done, Adit. Idhar aaja. Turn around. Pose for the camera. Well done, Adit. Score of 88 and 81. Good scoring. 169, Abhinav Karp. Well done. 2-shot penalty for a shirt is outside. Next tournament add it. Abhinav? अगले tournament में add करो. ये. And of course, the winner in Division D. Now I must tell you, those are one of the finest scores I've seen in Division D after a long time. A steady score of 4 over, 76, 76, Tushar Pannu.
Very good.
Well done.
Congratulations, Tushar.
Good, yeah, Tushar.
Congratulations.
Much improved, Tushar. I saw you the first time and I've seen now. Lots of change, yeah? Good. Okay, now we get in Division C. Very hard fought division. I'd say that's the toughest division, upcoming division in top-notch competition golf. Score of 78 and 81, 159, Harbanbir Bajwa. Well done. Congratulations. Pose. Fine. Stable court, did they say? For every time you tie for a position, as I said, in the girls division you had a count back, where if it's for the third position or second position, we take the final day score, whoever the lowest is on the final day, and that person wins. the girls, what happened, there was Gunaz and there's Shivani Sood, both of them who were both tied for the score for the third position. But since Gunaz had a better round today, we gave her the third prize. Okay? In the same, but different is in when it becomes a winner prize. Two people tied for the lead. Both of them played 77 yesterday. That's 5 over. Both of them played 77 today. Again 5 over. They finished at a total of 154. So we sent them out for a sudden death playoff. And the winner of that playoff par is Inderpreet Singh at 77-77, 154, coming in division winner. Par was not good enough. Well done, boy. So par is not good enough, guys. This is exactly what this tournament is coming to show you. The best thing to make in this tournament is birdie. So the guy who made birdie and won the playoff, Simarjit Singh Chadda. Well done. Good. Thank you. He gave up his exam yesterday, or nearly gave up his exam to come in and play today. Mivan Singh, division runner-up. Well done. That's for you. And he has big support in his grandfather there. Well done. Grandfather has come in from yesterday morning to today evening to see this. Granddad, are you happy? Yeah. Okay, perfect, sir. In division winner position, the score of 78-78, steady golf, 156, Vishal Pratap Singh. Well done, Vishal. Good show. Good strong lad. You're division B. Okay. Good show. And of course, the tournament winner again. With a score of 3 over yesterday and 2 over today. Very good scoring. He won the last time around also. We were here with a score of 75-74, 149. Karandeep Singh Kochar. Well done, sir. Sure. Well done. Now we also had in this tournament a category A and a college division. One guy has beaten the A division guys overall. So the A division now is only left with 2 prizes, division winner and division runner-up. So for division runner-up in A division, 15 to 17 years old, Jaiveer Singh, 83-82, 165. Well done, Jaiveer. Division runner-up. Tiger is getting unstable. It's too much wind actually. And the division winner, A division, Mankirat Singh, 162, 84-78. Well done, sir. Well done. Good show. When you see something like this happens, it's not only bad for you guys, it's bad for me as an organizer, because I need to give the same prize to the same guy all the time. Is that good or bad, Chrissy? So the winner of Division A, Karandeep Singh Kochar. Well, if he deserves it, he deserves it. What to do? Huh? Well, if he decides to go win everything, what can I do? I can't do anything. Well done. That means the other guys need to pull up their socks. Also, we had simultaneously running with this tournament something called the Champions College Golf Division. You see, we all play golf in India for a long time. Golf is not really a very recognized sport, but today it's something called College Division. And we had a good number of entries there also. In College Division, we had the division runner-up with a score of 161. No, sorry, the division runner-up, Chiranjeev, 83-89, 172. Well done.
So for me.
Division winner, the score of 83-78, 161, Abhimanyu. Parmar.
Yes, sir. So, Romit, sir?
The big guy. And the winner of the college division with a score of 80-78, Arjun Babuta.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Well done. Good. Sure. The story is that 158, but he was clearly beaten by 9 shots by another one from B category called Karandeep Singh Kochar. So at the end of the day, Karandeep Singh Kochar also wins the overall championship trophy. Come in, Karan. Take another prize. I'm not going to give a trophy for that. He's still a junior and I can't have, this can't happen. Well done. Sorry, D category. Closest to pin on the 8th hole. With 15.3 feet. Abhinav. Well done. There you go. So this is, he knows how to hit it close. Now to hit it long, he needs long balls. See that? Power distance. Okay, well done. और कितने बक्से हैं? शिव लिया सारे। In Division C, Harmanbir Bajwa, sorry, 14.7 feet. Well done, Harman Bajwa. Why you call me this? And with 12.6 feet in Division B, okay, Karandeep Singh Kochar. Wait. Okay.